Hey guys, today I am going to be cutting my hair. Yay, I'm so excited. I really tried to grow out my hair long. Like I usually always have long hair, but maybe like the past 3 or 4 years prior, I kind of cut it short. And I don't know, I wanted to see how long I could grow it, but it's too much. If you have long hair, it's a lot to deal with, and plus I have like frizzy curly hair. My friend Amy is going to be coming over. She's one of my closest friends, but she's also a hairstylist, so I'm really excited to see her and catch up. So I'm going to be filming it. I'm probably going to fast forward unless there's something interesting we're talking about. I'll show you guys, but for the most part I'm pretty much going to fast forward just so you can kind of see. Also, before we get into this video, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you're not already, because I'm almost at 1,000, so that's really exciting. Don't forget to hit the notification button so you're always notified whenever I upload. Let's get into the video.
Let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're on the horizon. You're on the horizon. I'm a butterfly who has only begun, taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life, and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I'm withering under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's real. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. You're on the horizon. You're on the horizon. Let me tell you what I found. Leaving everything behind, knowing there is more in life than I want. Now I wanna embrace life, you and I side by side, knowing there is more in life than I want.
All my hair on the floor. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I love my hair. Amy always cuts my hair the best. Really.
Let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow.